Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free food on DoorDash. So as you can see, I got $100 discount on my order. We're going to get some sandwiches and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It actually works, guys. So basically there's a website out there which I'm going to show you in this video. It's a wild place to be. It's called zestcoupons.com. So let me just hop on down to the website. So basically, the Zest Coupons does have quite a discount codes and stuff for different places, but today we're into DoorDash, and they also explicitly say that you should not use VPNs while on the website, so do not use VPNs. So anyway, guys, let's go to the search bar and type in DoorDash, and as you'll see, it's gonna say like DoorDash coupons. So there it is, DoorDash promo codes. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on it. It's $100 discount. Go ahead and press show coupon code and it's gonna generate it. So once it generates the code, guys, it's gonna tell you that the coupon is valid. So we're just gonna press get full code and it's gonna load this page right here where it says get up to $500 on DoorDash. So just press continue towards $500. You'll then see a selection page where it asks you how you want to receive your free money on DoorDash. So I'm just going to do gift card because they'll send me a DoorDash gift card. At this point, it's going to ask you for your email address, so make sure you enter that in and you will get your DoorDash code. So that's super insane, guys. It actually works, but dark things. So first of all, after you enter your email, you are going to have to provide some information. So make sure you put this in. This is just a screenshot I took of the page. I'm obviously not going to do this on the video because I don't want to leak my personal info. After this, you will see the deals thing, which may pop up, where it tells you to complete one deal. So make sure you do this as well. It's very important. You can see $0 cost. It was a game, Monopoly Go. I had to reach board level 10, just some App Store app. So anyway, guys, after you do this, you should get your DoorDash code. And this actually works, guys. As you can see, I saved $100. So be sure to try it out, guys. It fully works, and peace out, bro.